कौन नाराज है? क्यों, क्या हुआ? नहीं नहीं नहीं, कुछ आप लोग मजाक कर रहे हैं। सचमुच क्या हुआ, क्या बताओ? आप लोग लेट आए तो मुझे नाराज होना चाहिए ना। एक्चुअली आई रियली डोंट नो आप लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं, मुझे समझ। अरे अच्छा सर, इन my there's some confusion as far as I am concerned. I am bang on time. No no, हाँ sorry, बताओ ना, why this? I never, my price should never be disappointed on my behalf. I'm bang on time. Who is they? अच्छा, so you आप लोग नाराज है धे के साथ, मुझसे नाराज नहीं है। I am bang on time, I swear. मैं कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता। अच्छा, can we smile now? अभी हो गया ना? We don't be so upset. I mean really, I'm really sorry. Not my fault though, not my fault. अच्छा अभी तो ठीक है, can we continue? People in the back rows are still sitting like this. That table. I promise you it's not my fault. Please don't be upset with me. Then who are you upset with? The lights. Everybody fine now? Everybody fine? Can we continue? All right. Hi. Hi, I'm Baman. What's your name? Sorry.
Sir, my name is Kavya.
Hi, Kavi. How are you doing? Say hello to her. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So everybody happy now? Please, I can't go on. I mean, you're sounding like my wife, यार. मेरे घर पे भी ऐसे ही होता है. You are late. ये तो ऐसे हो गया. Everybody fine, right? Okay. My name is Bhavan Irani. In case you all have forgotten, there was a joke. Nobody got it. Never mind. No problem. Still, people are upset. It looks like.
If we are not upset, which we definitely are not, because they were flashing their fabulous smiles when we announced your name. Can we have a round of talia, please? Everyone, yeah, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. We love
I've
the
never got such a thanda upset welcome यार. मेरे life में ऐसे हुआ नहीं. Ladies, यार, do something. No,
So
please,
they're actually
come
busy
on.
catching their phones and
अरे
sort of.
phone रख दो नीचे.
हाँ.
अच्छा. Okay, just to let you know, everything on track again. Sunday पे घर में party थी, और we invited a whole lot of entries through smell fees. Smell fee का मतलब होता है they have to send, entrants should send a photograph of the most smelly thing that they have in their house. और अगर वो photograph या smell fee में कुछ दम है, तो they were selected to come to Mumbai for that house party. तो ये basically था. तो 20 entrants were there, 20, और उन लोग तरह तरह के चीजें लेके आए. थोड़ा हाउस लाइट्स भी रखो. आई वांट टू सी देयर फेस. अभी फाइनली दे आर स्माइलिंग. थोड़ा चेहरा तो देखो. हाँ सॉरी, हाँ कोई बात नहीं, देख लो. Okay, so these are smell fees. The interesting smell fees, of course, she lost because we couldn't see her face. He won. Okay, she also came. I can't recognize this guy. I don't know what he's doing. He's hugging a pillow. Okay, he was also there. तो basically ऐसे ऐसे करके smell fee जो भेजे थे उन लोगों ने, तो घर में जो भी चीज उन लोग को स्मेल फी में डिस्प्ले किया था, वो बदबूदार चीजें मेरे घर में लेके आए. दिल्ली से आए, चंडीगढ़ से आए, बैंगलोर से आए, विरार से आए, मुंबई से आए, और बहुत सारी जगह से आए. 20 of them, and they brought all these items. और घर में था एक स्मेलोमीटर, एक ऐसा मीटर था जो when they walk past it, वो पीप 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 करके कुछ वार्निंग साइन देता है कि मतलब स्मेली, स्टिंकी, और एक लास्ट स्टेज है इवैक्यूएट. तो मतलब अगर वो स्मेल फी लाने के बाद में एम्बीप्योर को इस्तेमाल करने के बाद अगर वो बदबू रह जाता था और एम्बीप्योर ये चैलेंज हार जाता है, तो मुझे 100 डायपर चेंज करने पड़ते थे. 100 डायपर्स. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं उसमें, क्योंकि एक तो मैं जीतने वाला था, और दूसरी बात है मुझे अभी डायपर चेंज करने की आदत वापस से शुरू हो गई है. सो आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट. तो उन लोग आए, प्याज, जूते, मोजे, रॉटन एग्स, अंडे, सॉक्स से मुझे बहुत नफरत है. और एक आइटम, दो औरत डायपर को लेके आए, और डायपर के अंदर कुछ सामान भी था बेबी का थैली में. एंड दे ब्रॉट इट फ्रॉम दिल्ली. मैंने पूछा तुम लोग दिल्ली से लाए कैसे प्लेन में, मतलब आपको अलाउ कैसे किया? नंबर वन, वो सब चेकिंग करते तो ये डायपर भी फेंक देना चाहिए, जो भी हम लोग पानी अलाउड नहीं है तो ये डायपर कैसे अलाउ किया उन लोगों ने? तो एनीवे दे ब्रॉट इट, और जो थैली से मैंने टेबल पे मैंने वो डायपर उल्टा किया और टेबल पे डाला, एंड इट वाज स्टिंकिंग सो बैड, आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन इट, वाज स्टिंकिंग सो बैड। तो मुझे लगा कि एम्बीप्योर शायद इस बदबू से हार जाएगा। 5 दिन पुराना डायपर था, सो कैन यू इमेजिन डायपर के अंदर वो ब्राउन कलर का कुछ आता है बच्चे का, आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट वांट टू से द वर्ड, यू नो व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, ओके। एंड वी एम्प्टीड इट ऑन द टेबल, और वो जो स्मेलोमीटर था went into evacuate mode. So I had to remove everybody from the house. I removed all the stuff and I put Ambipure in the air. And I was hoping that that smell would go away. क्योंकि पूरे हॉल में इतनी बदबू थी, I can't tell you. उसमें प्याज, जूते, क्या था उसमें. We called them in again, and when they came in, they all said, and this is for real because you cannot train people to do that. They all said, it's smelling fresh, it's smelling like a garden, it's smelling like flowers. One of them even said it's smelling like lavender because I sprayed lavender flavored Ambipure. तो basically Ambipure वो challenge जीत गया और मुझे वो 100 डायपर नहीं change करना पड़ा. So that's basically the story. Everybody got the story? समझ में आया? Okay. I have to apologize one more time. They are still very unhappy for some reason. It's never happened before. So please smile. Let me see some smiles. Come on, yaar. Come on, man. Itni bhi na. We are here. We are together. I'll put MVP on you also. Acha, I want to tell you all one thing. आप लोग जब अंदर आए, तो आप एक अंधेरे कमरे से अंदर आए, right? Right? Everybody right? Everybody behind? Ladies, yeah. And you all experienced some smells? Yes? What do those smells like? Sorry? Great smells. Sweet smells? Good, pleasant smells? Happy smells? अच्छा, वो अंधेरा कमरा जहां से आए, कहाँ है वो? Right there. I'd like to show you something.
All eyes right behind. Everyone.
अभी मैं वहां पे जाऊंगा. तो इस कमरे में जूते हैं, मोजे हैं, तरह तरह का खाना है, सैंडविचेस है, कॉफी है, गार्बेज है. You walk through it, but you got good smells. Am I right? Yeah. और ये मैं बताऊं, इसमें सिर्फ डायपर नहीं है 5 दिन पुराना. इसमें सिर्फ 5 दिन पुराना वाला डायपर्स नहीं है, बाकी सब कुछ है. स्मेल्स, शूज, सॉक्स, फिश, जूते, स्टेल फूड, स्टेल फ्रूट, eaten, half-eaten sandwiches, right? So let's go back. जी, बोलो ना, आप बोलो ना. अरे कहाँ बिठा रहे हो?
That's right. I guess everybody managed to finally take a good look at Baman's house party. So all of you managed to actually cross that passage. In fact, at the start of the program, मैंने भी आपसे एक question पूछा था. You had all come through the dark passage. So all of you said it was smelling great, but the actual reality is this. This is what we had placed inside, and this is what was part of the house party, Baman's house party. All right, looks like everybody is very curious to know how Baman's house party turned out to be with all those flash photos and videos. So let's have now all our photographers and our team come back again.
My house is not like that. I'm just saying. My house is not like that.
So they got a little glimpse of your house party, sir.
Yeah, an
A
idea.
little glimpse. Okay.
Yeah, but those people came with 5-day-old diaper poop. poop is a more pleasant word to use than diaper, whatever. Diaper brownies. Okay. So this is what happened. This is what it does. Ambipure, when you use it. अच्छा पहले मैं ये बता दूं कि before I became brand ambassador for Ambipure, I was a user of Ambipure and makes it my job as a brand ambassador much easier. Ambipure सिर्फ वो बदबू को मिटाता नहीं. Besides that, it also leaves behind a pleasant odor. पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं और ये गलत फहमी है हमारी कि हम एक बहुत एक्सपेंसिव oh god no
Stop, Aman,
no it was going so well.
I don't agree with you at all.
It
Stop.
was अरे यार ये मेरा हाउस पार्टी है मुझे करे नहीं यार.
What do you mean? First
No.
of all, this man has not invited me for this event. Is your wife here?
No, come darling.
Then you should have invited me. No, darling, you. I sent you a selfie challenge on Twitter. Why have you not accepted it?
Because I'm fed up. Oh no, because I love you. I mean I didn't want to associate. Okay, Twitter पे फारा का एक selfie challenge आया. वो
जो इन्होंने अभी तक एक्सेप्ट किया नहीं
एक सेकंड
है.
मुझे बोलने दो यार मुझे
अरे
बोलने दो.
20 मिनट से बोले जा रहे
एक
हो.
मिनट मुझे बोले दो. स्मेल्फी चैलेंज में फारा का फोटो था तो ये बॉडी ओडर का स्मेल्फी नहीं है जो फारा.
Very bad, very bad. Is this a way to talk to a lady?
You are more than a lady. You are more. Give me a hug.
That means
You are more than a
I
lady.
don't know what that means.
ये कबाब में हड्डी देखो.
Why have you not accepted? I sent him a Smelfy challenge Twitter पे कि मेरे घर में जब मच्छी बनती है बहुत बास आता है और वो मच्छी की बास Ambipure निकाल सकता है कि नहीं?
One sec, the challenge is over.
Challenge is not over.
Ambipure. No, it's over.
My challenge is not over. Wait, where is my team?
Oh God, team लोगों लेके.
किधर है मेरे ही मच्छी वाली?
Oh, तेरे बच्चे?
बच्चे नहीं.
अच्छा, मच्छी अच्छा, sorry.
बच्ची वाली नहीं, आज मैं मच्छी वाली को लेके आई हूँ.
Oh बाप रे बाप.
All right.
आओ. Hello आलोक.
Alok, smell it. घुमाओ. नहीं मना कर दिया. जाओ ना, जाओ. Go.
Well, friends, let me tell you, that's real machi in that basket, by the way. हमारे जो फ्रंट रो में बैठे हैं हमारे
ये
फोटोग्राफर.
इसमें बॉमन के सॉक्स नहीं है, एक्चुअल फिश है.
Even your jokes stink, yaar, Mara. Yeah.
Just because you did one event with your wife, you have become too smart.
Yeah.
आजा इधर लेके आओ ऊपर.
बहुत जलती है मेरी बीवी से. Yes. अच्छा क्या है मतलब what do you want to do? Hi, what's your name? आपका नाम? माधवी. Oh baby. I can't tell the difference. Same. Okay. So what are you saying? ये smell जो लेके आए आप अपने टीम के साथ. Such a pretty girl, so sweet she is.
यहाँ मच्छी वाली को भी लाइन नहीं मारे, ये आदमी है.
तो मैं एक काम करता हूँ. I have got my team. You brought your team. I will bring my team. Even more beautiful person. Even more beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. We have a friend from Brussels who has come over here. Put your hands together for Maxim. Let's hear it for Maxim.
Ladies and gentlemen, Maxim Dale, the research scientist for Ambipure globally. Let's have a huge round of applause, everyone.
Hey, Maxim.
Oh, I want your team on my team. Maxim, come here.
Hi, good, very good. Thank you, I'm here to help.
Okay, Maxim. कौन सी मच्छी है ये? भांगड़ा. Yeah, okay. So what are you going to do? How do we win the Ambipure challenge with Farah? That's Farah Khan, just by the way. Don't be afraid. She doesn't bite.
I'm not.
She
I'm
doesn't
not.
bite.
She looks friendly. So it stinks, right?
It stings.
शिरीन फरार की याद आ गई.
So what I'll do, I'll put this fish in the bowl.
All right.
And then we treat it with Ambipure.
Right.
Just to show that it completely, truly removes the fish odor, right?
I think we need to call that table and make them smell the fish.
Someone want
They
to
are
smell the
looking
fish?
very comfortable. Yes, hide your
Actually, take
face.
this fish.
That girl who's hiding her face. हाँ.
लेके जाओ.
Amira, come here, Amira.
Amira, darling, where are you? Come here. Are Amira. Oh God.
Hiding
Darling,
her face
come.
from so long.
Why is she hiding her face? She's Bengali. So she and fish,
Inside the fish. I'm
fish
calling.
and she go well. Come from anywhere. Hurdle it. Come on, Amira.
Amira looking very pretty today.
She's very pretty. Always pretty.
Have you dressed up for Bomber or me?
She loves me. Tell Farah, you love me or not?
I love you.
Yes, darling. Smell it.
Amira का नाक बंद है. She can't smell that fish. अभी.
You sure?
Jyoti is also
You
there.
got it?
We'll make him
How are you
smell
doing?
it.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Anything else? Do we need to do
Yes.
Just-
We brought some diapers for you.
oh God.
Oh God, why adult diapers in already?
Diaper लेके आओ.
You know the diapers.
Diaper कहाँ है?
Right here.
You smell it, Farah.
इनका मेरा diaper.
You smell it.
My diaper days
पच्चीस
are
दूंगा
over.
दिया. You smell it. You smell it. But genuinely smell it so people know.
Thinking.
It's baby poop, yeah. It's heavenly. It's God's gift, yeah. What? You smell it. अबीरा, बंगाली में भी ऐसे ही होता है.
All those who smell it will get free Ambipure
How
hampers.
will we prove that it is happening?
So let's spray the, and then we have our lovely judge to make sure it works, right?
Okay.
So I'll first spray the fish.
Go
and
for it,
then,
man.
ये फिश की स्मेल के लिए है. फिश के ऊपर एम्बिप्योर डाल के पकाना मत. जो भी देख रहे हैं उनको मैं बोल रही हूँ.
Thank God, फारा है. हमको इतनी अक्कल कहाँ? मतलब ये सब.
So a quick
Oh my
sniff.
God, it's smelling of lavender.
Yeah, correct.
अबीरा.
Just in case you all think I've been.
You also want to smell, of course.
The fish smell is gone.
And now I'll do the same.
आलोक इधर आ दो. Darling, come here. No.
Alok, come here, Alok.
Alok, you. Smell the fish. You smelled it over there. That's why I'm calling you back. Oh wow.
It's gone.
Oh wow.
Yeah, baby.
अभी देख अभी ओ वाव आने वाला है.
Okay.
हाँ बच्चे का मतलब प्योर होता है, innocent होता है.
And
Go, all yours.
And now we do the same for the diapers, of course, huh? To really have a challenge.
Okay, Maxim, we keep saying diaper. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग पैकेट में से diaper खोल के लाए हैं. It's not a diaper from a Huggy bag.
बच्चे का used
No,
diaper.
Used diaper, है, just by the way, in case you all don't know that.
So there is some actual, no worries.
We
It
can see,
stinks.
we can see it.
Okay. So again, I'll spray.
Couldn't you all give me this like 8 years ago?
And then we have a lovely judge again. You dare to
Go
smell?
for it.
You see?
Ah,
Abira, come on, darling.
even the shit is smelling of roses.
Don't worry.
You also.
It's not smelling. Okay. Yeah,
You're happy?
yeah. You
Alok.
want?
Of course, my friends, you need to smell as well. It's fine, huh?
Thank you, Amira.
Maxim, you'll have to tell us how this works.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Alok. You all
Thank you
both
so
will
much.
get free.
God bless you. Give them a big hand, everybody. Come on.
Free
Yeah.
diapers.
Come on, थोड़ी energy. Yeah.
So you all will get Ambipure.
I just want to say, people have these notions. People have these notions that if they use any kind of deodorant and bad smells don't mix. They make it worse. A combination of a deodorant and a bad smell
Becomes
makes
worse.
worse.
Actually it does.
Expensive colognes and bad odors, not body odors, odors in the house, like stuff like this, makes it worse or kharab kar leta hai. So you have to explain to us how this
Yes.
works and why a room freshener is different from
Maxim,
a cologne
I
or a deodorant.
Of course, so you're fully correct. So if you use like a deodorant, it just mixes with the bad odor, and then it gets even worse. I typically compare it to, whenever I go sporting or jogging, I sweat, of course, like all people do. And if you use deodorant right after, you just get a nasty mix of perfume and sweat, right? But if you first take a shower, you remove the bad odor, and then you use deodorant, then you get a nice fresh scent. So it's a bit the same with our air freshener. We first completely remove the bad odor, so our consumers can truly enjoy the freshness of our light, fresh scents. So that's really the uniqueness of Ambipure malodorylation technology, right?
Thank you, Maxim.
Thank you.
Let's hear it for Maxim, everybody.
Maybe let's take a picture if they want, no?
Yeah,
by
sure.
our nice bottle that I brought here. So this is our Ambipure Air Effects.
Light.
One second, I'll take her lovely fish. Picture with the fish. Oh. Yeah,
Thank you, man.
my pleasure.
All right, so we also have the placards with us because considering that we have proved to you. Yes, that's right, with the placards as well. Yes. So, we'll do a picture first without the placards and then with the placards. So once we prove the sign.
No? It's not started yet. It should be after this.
All right, so let's have the placards as well. And let's have Baman and Farah hold the placards. And let's have Maxim Daled also join them. That's right. Ambipure wins against all, and Farah also holding the placard that says that Ambipure has convinced her today that her home will never smell again. There you go. Yes, sir? What do we do about her? We love her. We always loved her. All right. I've got 2 mics here. So can I have the boys come on stage to collect the placards? Yes, sir. And we're going to have the presentation as well. We're going to have, ladies and gentlemen, Baman and Farah, we're going to have Maxim share his presentation as well on the science behind the Ambipure. So can we also have the appropriate lights in the audience? And
Right?
all right, ladies and gentlemen, friends, यहाँ पे एक presentation हो रहा है. I'm going to request our photographers to please take seats. बाद में you can bombard them with as many photos you
Yes.
want. We have to understand the science behind Ambipure.
Sorry, Maxim. Sorry, we apologize.
Thank you. Thank
So
you.
I'm going to request you all please take your seats. Maxim, over to you.
So in R&D we've spent tremendous effort really trying to understand malodors. So really the chemical composition of these globally, these are the key malodors, right? Bathroom, and really trying to understand what are the molecules in those so really understand the problem before we can come up with a solution, which is actually, this is how odors are created, right? While you're cooking, maybe have some fat, some pet in the house. Maybe you have a smelly teenage boy, who knows, right? So they are created, they get into the air, and then they can even settle on some soft surfaces in your house, like the light fresh sand. So that was a bit the video. I won't go into detail. So one way of eliminating the odor is physically trapping it. Another way is via chemical reaction. So if you change the structure of those odor molecules, they cannot interact with those receptor cells in your nose, so you don't smell them anymore. So that's why, cyclodexin covers the broadest range of household odors, but to make sure we remove them all. We also have 2 other technologies, quite impressive, but as well, then externally we work with big perfume houses to really make sure that we have the best perfumes in our products to really delight the consumer and improve their life overall, okay? So thank you for your attention. And of course, breathe happy, huh?
Thank you very much, Maxim, for explaining to us. Can we have the mics on the stage, please? That's right.
पहले फारा को mic देना चाहिए, always.
So,
Okay, just to say, the presentation is done, and Ambipure, jeet gaya. You have to say yes.
I have to say that Ambipure has won. My Smellfee challenge has been blown to pieces.
Thank you so much. So thank you, Farah. First time she has conceded defeat in our friendship. I'm saying friendship,
Friendship.
not,
Yeah, we are
not
just good
relationship.
friends.
We're not.
We are just good friends.
Yeah. We're just good friends. And
The sad part is they actually believe that we are just good
I
friends.
know. Yeah. कोई कभी आज तक किसी ने लिखा नहीं हमारे बारे में कोई ऐसी use
कोई लिखो, please.
हम
We
जब
are
बोलते हैं
trying
तब कोई
to
लिखता
spread
नहीं,
the
नहीं
rumor
बोलते
from
तब।
many years.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, from what we see, Maxim has already explained us the science behind Ambipure, and Farah has also agreed that yes, Ambipure has.
Yes.
You have the vote.
Ambi Pure has won.
Has
I
won.
will be using it whenever I cook fish in the house.
Awesome.
Not on the fish, but
Yeah, in the air. Huh?
So well, then on that note, we'll have the floor open for questions.
You all can ask us
from our
any
friends.
questions.
Jyoti wants to ask something.
We have a,
Where is
I
Jyoti?
know his
Hello.
question also.
Jyoti's here.
His question is, when is lunch?
Yeah.
Yes,
Hi
Bonu
Jyoti,
sir.
how are you?
so we have a question.
Yeah, we
so
want to Jyoti.
unfortunately, the mic has gone to the gentleman.
mic
there,
is
sir.
here
Can we-
already.
How can
Hello.
it be that the floor is open and Jyoti doesn't ask the first question? आज तक हुआ ही नहीं है.
Hello,
Anyway,
sir.
sir, very happy that you've broken that tradition.
Okay.
Sir,
Mr. Boni, last when we met, it
Ji.
was Ambipure's event. It
Yes.
was in Tardev, in
yes
a
sir,
mall.
yes sir.
आज हम इधर मिल रहे हैं ताज में. यहाँ तक का सफर आपका कैसा रहा? कितना फ्रूटफुल रहा? क्या क्या बातें हुई? थोड़ा
तारजो से यहाँ तक उनको ऑलमोस्ट
एक साल लगा
लगता है यहाँ पर
उनको. आपका
आने
सफर
के लिए.
कैसे रहा?
Actually, तारदेव में मेरे साथ मेरी बीवी थी. So it was a sweeter suffer, and now I have to suffer.
Hello.
But it's been a wonderful another year with Ambipure because I'm very confident. You know, you stand on stage when you talk about the product, you should be confident about it. All the advertising is like a reality advertising. हम कुछ set up नहीं करते. वो सचमुच people on the street, we catch them, we make them sit in the car, and we actually shoot like a reality show. And you're confident that when they sit in the car and there's all garbage in the car, there has to be confidence in the product for me to sit over there and say, when they blindfold their eyes and you say, what do you smell? They say, we're getting this smell and a breezy smell and a feels like I'm in a garden. And you open the eye patch and they see there's all junk behind. So we are confident of the product and it makes me feel nice to be involved in such a product. So it's been a great journey from Tardev to Land's End, from Suhana Safar to Safar.
Good afternoon to all.
I love you, darling. Don't.
So
just-
Farah Khan here.
Yes, sir.
What's the USP of this product and is this expensive product? Ambipure.
I don't think it's not.
Farah uses only free stuff in all her life.
No, I don't think it's expensive.
No, it's not. It's not.
At all. Bowman has been the brand ambassador for
It's
many
not
years.
expensive
I've
at
come
all.
as a guest because I actually challenged him. इतने साल से ये बोल रहा है Ambipure. So I had to check out whether
She came to
सही
check
भी है
me
कि
out.
नहीं.
Yeah, she came.
And yeah, we just need a chance to meet in
Chance to meet
hotels.
in public in front of the press. Yeah.
तो I will be using the product now definitely. और सच्ची मेरे घर में अभी कुत्ते भी आ गए हैं. तो my daughters adopted two doggies और dog का smell जिनके पास dogs हैं, monsoon में dogs का smell is very hard to remove.
Sorry, Parsi dogs don't smell. I just want to say.
Parsi dogs don't bark also, that's different. But so I will be using the product definitely.
बमन माइक आ गया मेरे पास.
Venkatesh, Mike aa gaya. Jyoti Venkatesh. Give a big hand. Veteran journalist. Give a big hand. My first ever interview with the press from this public, in a group was Jyoti Venkatesh put up his. Sir.
Thank you. सवाल है कि Ambipure in how many fragrances is it coming? Lavender, rose.
Yes.
Which other?
There are 6 fragrances. And my favorite is always lavender. But there are 6 different fragrances, and they are all, each in its own way, are wonderful.
Sandalwood.
Yes. But I in my home, it's always lavender for some reason. I shouldn't be pushing one fragrance. I'm so sorry. I hope you don't mind. But I have to tell the truth. That's the fragrance I call for, always. So I won't lie and say, I have one of this for this room and one of this for the bathroom and one of this for the kitchen. Sorry. I use lavender in all the rooms.
अच्छा, Baman said that even earlier he used to use Ambipure.
Yes.
And now he has become the brand ambassador.
Yes.
Farah, have you used any of these products earlier?
No, I started using it when I put the Smelfie challenge actually. Let me be honest. I started using it when I put the challenge to him. I started using for the dogs. And now for the fish, I was waiting to check whether it's actually going to happen. But I definitely going to be using it from now on.
And Baman, in what way is this going to be different from the other similar products in the market?
Efficacious. I think it works for me. I have not tried the other products. So even before I brought in a product into the house, This was the first product that came to me. I have not used any other product, honestly.
Actually,
Okay, let me be
Jyoti,
honest.
Whenever you think of air freshener, the first word that comes in your
Yeah.
mind is Ambipure.
Just Ambipure the room. But let me tell you something. Before this, I used to use something. And that used to be my expensive colognes. And let me tell you, it makes matters worse. It really does. And I was trying to sound like a technician, an expert on the thing. It does make it worse. You think, what's this? There's something wrong over here. Ambipure works for bad odors in the house.
So that's
It's simple. There's a chemical formula to
Which you all
fight
have
bad
not been
odor.
paying attention to.
Yeah,
After lecture he gave you
आप
all.
सुन नहीं रहे मतलब जो
so maybe I can recap
No, it's okay. No.
to add to
We
his
got
lovely.
it, we got
शुरू हो जाएगा वापस.
The unique thing about Ambipure is that
Quickly,
we have
another
3
question.
different technologies in there, right?
जल्दी कोई पूछो सवाल. हाँ, बोलो. Yes.
Ma'am,
Give it the
ma'am, we'll
lady
just
a
hand
mic.
over the mic to you. Just a second. We'll just hand over the mic to you.
Yes, ma'am.
मेरा ये प्रश्न है कि कई बार क्या होता है कि एम्बिपर को जब स्प्रे किया जाता है तो कई बार इरिटेशन होते हैं गले में और इस तरीके से खांसी आती है तो एलर्जी जैसा तो इन व्हाट वे मींस हाउ इट कैन बी यूज्ड इन दैट सिनेरियो मींस पहले
देखो इसको ऐसे
spray
नहीं
का-
यूज करना
No,
माउथ
no, no,
फ्रेशनर नहीं है ये.
no,
हाँ.
इन व्हाट वे लाइक रूम में करने के बाद में या बंद कर दे
There could be an itch, there could be an allergy. Is that an
No,
Ambipure
no.
problem?
So,
No, we
what
don't
is the
face-
proper way to use the Ambipure at home?
So in the air, so typically you use it for, like if you're in a medium-sized room, you use it for 3 seconds in the air, in a kind of an arch kind of way, just to make sure it's, and then it cleans or removes
Correct.
the odor in the full air.
मैं तो बोलती हूँ जैसे प्लेन्स में नहीं ऐसे लेके लोग जाते हैं.
No, there is
वैसे
a
डाला
way.
करो.
There's an application. Yeah,
Correct, that is
she's
correct,
right.
actually.
She's right. Farah is always right. But the way is actually ऐसे मतलब जो सिखाया गया मैं ऐड में भी करता हूँ मतलब जितने रीटेक करने पड़ते हैं इसके लिए.
Wow, what body
That's it.
language. Wow.
Superb. That's it. Okay, there's another thing that you do for application, and that is on curtains and entrance to the room. So the doorway, you put it in the corners. So when you enter, you get a good feeling. Yeah, you can, and you should.
Especially if there's someone in the room with you. You should close the room that time.
Hello, yeah. Farah, Eid Mubarak to you first.
Eid Mubarak to all of
Are
you.
all of you Eid Mubarak. Let's everybody. Eid.
My question is like, just mentioned few minutes back that why this was not there for 8 years ago. As you
Why didn't they tell me about this? Because
Yeah.
I had 3 children and 3 times the diapers.
So what you did, because MVP was not there that time.
You understand the question?
I understood, yeah.
मतलब तू क्या करती याद भी है तेरे
हाँ, मेरे को याद है. It's only 8 years ago.
It's only 8 years ago.
Yeah. No, then you have to fold it and then you have to wrap it and then you have to put it in some plastic and tie it. It's quite
Opening windows, maybe.
open diaper. So yeah, open the windows so the neighbors can smell it. Not only your house. हाँ.
But Farah, actually his question is very important. मुझे नहीं पूछा what you did. मैं 31 साल पहले मेरा बच्चा पैदा हुआ था. अभी मेरे I'm a grandfather now. अभी 2.5 महीने भी नहीं हो गए. But why he's asking you it is because you had 3 times the smell in your house.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh, you know it. Good. She knows.
I know there were 3.
कभी कभी
That's what I'm
where
saying.
did you come from? Come.
It's not a joke. 3 times the diapers you can imagine.
But they used to all diaper together at the same time. No,
Sorry,
separate
they are
time.
not robots. They used to do at separate times.
But after that, do you used to spray something or some that?
No, because scent, perfume and all you don't want to spray near small children.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Now what do you do with the baby?
Now they don't use diapers.
They don't use diapers. Okay.
Hello, Boman.
Hi.
Hi. Hello,
Hi, how are
Farah.
you?
Hi.
Devarati here from Bardhaman of Calcutta, Kolkata.
Nice to meet you. Thanks
Eid
for coming.
Mubarak to all of you.
To you too.
Doctor asks to avoid any kind of air purifier because of it is harmful for human body. Is it safe for human body?
The doctor says avoid air purifiers. What do you say to that?
Ambipure is safe for human body.
Yes, so it's been severely tested by R&D to ensure the quality and then also that it's safe for people, of course. I can say most of the formulation is actually from natural ingredients, so ingredients that you find in nature, like the propellant, so the gas that pushes out the liquid, is nitrogen. So that's what we inhale here in this room as well. Okay? So I can really reassure you that it's completely safe for people to use.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, so on that note, we'll be able to take one last question.
फारा जी आपके सामने
हाँ जी।
बमन हाय
Hi, how are you doing?
आई एम गुड जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि बॉलीवुड में आप लोगों के कई सारे अच्छे दोस्त हैं, चाहे वो एक्टर हो, डायरेक्टर हो, प्रोड्यूसर हैं। जब भी
इसका एमबी प्योर से कोई लेना देना नहीं है ना?
प्योर से लेना
अच्छा लेना देना अच्छा।
जब भी आप लोग उनके घर में जाते हैं, फेस्टिवल या ओकेशन कुछ भी मौका होता है, तो वो ऐसा कौन सा एक्टर है, डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर जो आप लोग सोचते हैं कि इनके घर में एमबी प्योर की जरूरत है?
We were waiting for this question. We were waiting, मतलब कोई पूछे ये सवाल। 12 साल से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, आज तक किसी ने सवाल नहीं पूछा और आज मौका मिल गया आपको ये सवाल का सही जवाब ईमानदारी से बताओ।
जवाब जब आप दोगे तो वो के घर के दरवाजा आपके लिए
बंद हो जाएगा, मतलब वो बदबू बंदी हो जाएगी हमारे मुंह पे, वापस हमें कोई इनवाइट करने वाला नहीं। और मैं आपको बता दूंगा।
जी, बिल्कुल, नाम लेना
एमबी प्योर इज रिक्वायर्ड इज इन माय ब्रदर्स बेडरूम। फॉर श्योर इट इज रिक्वायर्ड अ लॉट। या तो गैस मास्क या तो एमबी प्योर, दो चीजें चाहिए वहां पर।
चलो अच्छा है। डायरेक्टर पूछा ना इंडस्ट्री से, डायरेक्टर एक्टर भी है। So her brother. Actually, I was going to say your house, but
Just
now.
shut up. My house smells very nice.
When you were staying with your brother that time, ठीक है ना?
बमन आप कुछ बताइए कि मतलब आपने
मतलब
भी
ये
बताया।
स्कूप है क्या है भाई? I have never been honestly to anybody's house, even Sajid's room I've been to. But I have never been to anybody's house in the industry at least that smells. Okay, I'll tell you something. घर में जब खाना पकता है, तो definitely you get odors, no question. It's not necessarily an odor which is जूते का या पुराने कपड़े का, और बेबी डायपर हो तो हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं उससे। बेबी डायपर का हो, there's a baby in the house, खुशी का मामला है, निकालो एमबी प्योर मारो। But some houses really smell for some other reason. Maybe because they don't keep it well, they don't keep it clean, they don't air the house or whatever else. But those houses I have never been to. I am okay with cooking smell.
Sometimes you also stay near the seaside और मच्छी की smell बहुत आती है।
आती है।
Especially Warsaw side and all if you stay.
Yeah. But you were looking for a scoop, sir, and no. All our filmy people have very good smelling homes. You're welcome to my house also.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so with that we come to the end of the question answers with the media and our brand ambassadors as well. Lekin filhal what we're going to do is we're going to announce for lunch, but our PR team will be connecting for the one-on-one question session with the media as well as our brand ambassador.
PR will
Please
talk
stay
to you.
tuned.
Thank you very much. Give it a big hand. And
Thank
ladies and
you.
gentlemen,
Thank
one
you,
last
Anand
time, one more thing, one announcement of you for the misinformation. So really, really sorry.
जी, एक
Thank you
बजे
very
का
much for
बोला
being here. Thank you
मैं
very much.
12 बजे आ गई थी।
Thank you very much, Boman. Thank you, Farah.
फारा एंड बमन सबसे
हाँ
पहले
जी।
तो कांग्रेचुलेशन आपको इस ब्रांड के लिए।
Thank
जब
you.
आप लोगों को बताया गया कि इस ब्रांड से जुड़ना है, तो क्या कुछ फीलिंग थी सबसे पहले?
देखो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि बमन जी ऑलरेडी इस ब्रांड से जुड़ चुके हैं और जहाँ भी बमन होता है मुझे अच्छा लगता है वहाँ जाना और इनको अच्छा लगता है मेरे पीछे आना। तो नहीं बट रियली ही इज बीन द ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हाउ मेनी इयर्स नाउ?
The second year.
तो सेकेंड ईयर। और तो जब मुझे बोला गया कि मैं एक चैलेंज दूँ उनको एमबी प्योर को लेकर, आई थिंक इट वाज गुड बिकॉज वी बोथ हैव अ रैपो और हम दोनों के बीच ऐसे नोक झोंक हम कर सकते हैं रादर देन टू गेट समबडी हु इज़ नॉट फैमिलियर। तो मैं इनको चैलेंज और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ों में करती हूँ, लेकिन इसमें मुझे पर्टिकुलरली बहुत मज़ा आया क्योंकि आई वॉज रियली होपिंग कि वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करे एमबी प्योर।
Mom, which was your awkward? Mom, which was your awkward moment when you had to smell something very bad? That awkward moment.
It's always awkward when you do smell and you know do make the horrible face. But I feel that over the years, in the last 2 years, we've been doing so much of this in the ad films that we make, which are real. It's not set up. I go on the street with a mic like this and say, "Excuse me, will you do an ambipure test for me here live?" And then we put him in a car, and it's for real. I knock on someone's door, and the lady, we open the door and the lady sees me for the first time and says, oh, okay, wow. And we go into the room and I blindfold the person and I put fish around them and bring garbage in the house. So we've gained so much confidence when you do this for real, with real people. They are not actors, they aren't models, these are real people. So when you do advertising of this type, it gives you a lot of confidence to say it really works blindly. And even that day, when they came to for the party for the Smelfy challenge, they brought in genuine garbage from their homes. It is not production ने बना के आर्ट डायरेक्टर ने सप्लाई नहीं किया था वो. जेन्युइन डायपर्स, खुद के घर के, खुद के बच्चे के डायपर्स, खुद के अनियंस, खुद के मोजे, खुद के जूते लेके आए थे दिल्ली, चंडीगढ़, विरार, बैंगलोर से, नाला सोपारा से.
तू आया था?
अच्छा सुना, अच्छा बोल दिया नाला सोपा बीच में, मतलब very important.
Of course, नाला सोपारा is very important.
So for me it is, and the team always turns around and says, no problem. But even now I've become confident. I used to ask them when I open the door and I blindfold them and I put a ganda moza in front of their nose, blindfold के वक्त, और मैं पूछूं मतलब उनको ये स्मेल सचमुच में बुरा लगेगा तो अपना एड फिल्म फ्लॉप हो जाती है वहाँ पे. But they have so much confidence and I now have confidence. So it's great fun to do these ads. They're great fun.
Other than that, what smells you're saying, I think local train में जिसने भी travel किया होगा उनको पता होगा. मैं बहुत travel करती थी पहले to go to college. That smell in the local trains is unforgettable. Everything, the garbage on the tracks, the people's clothes, it's मतलब is an unforgettable smell.
अच्छा, ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस है जो आप शेयर करना चाहें जहाँ पर आप गए हो या फिर कोई ऐसी पर्टिकुलर जगह पर, अगर आप दोनों शेयर करना चाहें ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस?
I think बॉडी बदबू के लिए एक्चुअली किसी ने सवाल पूछा, सबके घर में होता है. इट्स नॉट कि किसी का घर साफ है सबके घर में.
स्टूडियोज में the public toilets
are worst
because आप गेट खोलते नहीं हो and you get that smell, you know. So I mean they should really use it over there.
Honestly,
हाँ.
मतलब वो टॉयलेट में जो स्टूडियो में होते हैं, you take एक दम लो तो मुझे लगता है आपको कैंसर भी हो तो वो कैंसर भाग जाएगा. I'm not joking, it is so bad, but genuinely this should be used in studios. अपने घर में orders आते हैं, किचन में orders आते हैं, मॉनसून के वक्त गीले कपड़े का ऑर्डर. ऐसे नहीं कि सिर्फ I had a problem कि मैं मच्छी हम बहुत बनाते हैं घर में और फ्राइड फिश, तड़का फिश का जो फ्राई फिश का जो स्मेल होता है, इट्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. और यंग बच्चे होते हैं, स्कूल से आते हैं, मोजे, बॉडी ऑर्डर होता है, घर में भी होता है, बाहर भी होता है, ट्रेन में भी होता है, स्टूडियो में भी होता है. वो orders, bad orders are there everywhere.
That's one last question. That's
बिग बॉस में जो आवाज आती है, जो पुरुष की आवाज आती है, आपको लगता है वहाँ पे महिलाओं की आवाज होनी चाहिए? As a women empowerment, आपको लगता है वहाँ पे महिला?
वहाँ तो मुझे लगता है मेरी आवाज आनी चाहिए. हाँ जरूर
उनकी आवाज है.
हाँ.
Shirin Farhan की निकल पड़ी was an awesome movie. Will we be seeing you both again in a movie?
That only.
We are doing our own private movie.
We are doing our own. We are hoping that the director and producer.
We are paying them money to cast us.
To do part 2.
My wife is saying no, mat karo.
Ma'am, about the Kapil Sharma controversy.
Okay, thank you. We
Thank you
can't
so
really
much.
entertain that. I'm so sorry.
You have been on his show, so what?
जो आपको लगता है उन्होंने जो
I swear I was out of town that day. I was in Indore, so I need to know properly before I can comment. Kapil is a dear friend. I'm very fond of him. मैं I think maximum times गई हूँ उनके show पे. But I really need to know क्या हुआ, किसका fault है before commenting, because our comments become breaking news then for no reason.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.